Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Currently we are going to discuss about new multi-bagger stock recommendation of this week. It's a small cap stock and it's a diversified company. Maybe while you are looking at the name Majestic Auto Ltd, maybe you will think that it's an automobile company. The company is in different sectors. I will explain you that in detail. Company's major business is real estate and facility management, and company is having automobile spare part business. So I will explain you all those things. And currently it is trading at 141.05 rupees per share. Last 5 days the stock gained almost 2.28%. But if you see today the stock gained almost 9%. So what we have to do is please keep watching for another 3 to 4 days time. During that time you will get the stock between almost 120 to 130 level. So because the stock will go for a consolidation on coming days. Earlier also it was happened because it's a small cap stock. Almost 75% of the stake is with promoter and only 25% is with public. So the number of shares are very limited. I will explain you that, and also I will explain you what are the corporate action we are expecting on this stock. So if you see the fundamental of this stock, it's an average stock. Maybe you will ask me why you are recommending this stock again. So this is a multi-bagger recommendation. This is not a wealth creator. So in a short span there will be a multi-bagger return from this stock, but we have to take the exit when it reach the specific target. So let us go into the fundamentals. So please don't take, as I told you, please don't buy now. Maybe tomorrow also it will start at upper circuit, maybe around 150 level, but no need to make hurry. Please watch for 2 to 3 days time. So you will get the stock in between 120 to 130 level. So you can take the entry and you have to plan for another 6 months minimum. Please don't think that the stock will fly from tomorrow. So I will explain you how we are going to be get benefited in this stock, why I am recommending this stock. So it's a small cap stock, as I told you. The company name is Majestic Auto Ltd. Currently it is trading at 141.05 rupees per share, and the current market capitalization is 146 crore, and the book value per share is 413.20, because the current book value is very high because the company's reserve is very huge while we are comparing to its current market capitalization and also the authorized share capital. I will explain you that, and I will explain you why this stock is still undervalued, and the face value per share is 10. So the stock split is not yet happened, and the company is paying dividend. Recently in November 2021 company paid almost 7.5 rupees per share as dividend, and the stock is trading in this current range of almost 120 to 150 level for past 1 year, and the stock is listed only in BSE. It's not listed in NSE. So it's a undervalued stock. There is no major growth in company's sales if you see, but the company is maintaining its sale quarter to quarter and also year to year. While we see the year to year sale, company is maintaining almost 56 crore sale, almost 55 to 66 crore sale company is maintaining for past 5 years, and the company is making profit every year. Almost 10 to 20 crore company is making profit every year, and the company is having reserve of almost 400 crore. From where this income is generating, because the company's sales are getting constant, almost constant. That's the reason I told company is not only in automobile sector, company's major business are real estate, leasing, and also the facility management. Company is having its own real estate division and also its own facility management division, and company is having its own property. Company, they are giving it for rent and lease. While we are looking at company's promoter shareholding, company is maintaining 75% for past quarters. The maximum allowed percentage is only 75%. They are maintaining that, and 2 mutual fund schemes are invested in the stock, and there are 5 foreign institutional investors are invested in this. As I told you, only 25% of the shares are with the public. So its value is only 36.53 crore as per the current share price, and I told you the company's current fundamental is just average. If you see the issued share capital is only 10 crore from past 5 years, and company's reserve is getting increased. You can see here every year company's reserve is getting increased, and currently the company is having 410 crore reserve is there with the company, and company is having almost 303 crore asset. And while we are going to the company's current market capitalization, it's only 146 crore. It's a reason company's book value per share is very high. So the company is having that much of asset as real estate. So before that, you can see here company's promoter, as I told you, company's promoter is holding almost 75% of the shares. While we are looking at the major shareholders among public, you can see here Anil Kumar Goyal is holding almost 2 lakh shares, which is almost 1.92% of the stake. It is constant for past 2 quarters. And Deepak Kanayalal Shah is holding 225,000 shares, which is almost 2.16% of the stock. And non-residents Indian is holding almost 7,875 shares, which is almost 0.08%. And non-residents NRIs, they are holding almost 8,851, which is almost 0.09%. And HUF, they are holding almost 79,545 share, which is almost 0.77%. While we calculate all this will be almost 7.69%, and the remaining will be only 15.11% shares are with public, with the retail investors, which is almost 15,71,166 shares are with public. So it's very limited share. And while we calculate with the current stock price, 15,71,166 into 141, which is the current market cap, current market price, it will be almost 22 crore worth share is with public. So it's very minimal share. That's the reason while we look at company's last trading session, only 36,000 shares are traded. Out of that, 59% taken delivery. So it means someone is actively accumulating the share. So there will be a rally. The upcoming rally will be there. And why it is happening? So we can expect 2 kind of corporate actions in this company. One is either bonus or stock split, but that will happen after a major rally. And the second one will be a demerger. So the company may plan for demerging its real estate business and also its automobile business. While we look at the company's website, currently we are in Majestic Auto Limited website. You can see here the company Majestic Auto Limited ventured into commercial real estate in 2015 by providing office space on lease and facility management services. Their main business area is real estate. Company is having its own real estate division. It is called as ETPL, Emirates Technologies Private Limited, located at Sector 62, Noida, with a built-up area of 8 lakhs square feet approximately and 11 floors. The building is known as Knowledge Boulevard. The leasing business is carried by ETPL, which involves leasing of its developed and redeveloped offices. The utilities and facility management business supports and complements the real estate business. The company is having real estate division, facility management division, and also, as I told you, the company is having automobile business as well. The company is further ventured into leasing industrial setup in 2019 in Greater Noida. The work together to maintain the legacy, providing the best planning, maintenance, construction, custodial and facility operation services to employees and departments so they can conduct public business in a clean, safe and healthy environment. We ensure quality services to our client with the help of continuous monitoring workspace. This is what all the facility management companies they are doing. So they are having its own facility management division. And Majestic Auto Limited was the largest producer of mopeds India in early 80s. They were having their own two-wheelers was there, which was called as mopeds in early 80s. It also manufactured automobiles and electrical components until 2017. So this is the reason I told maybe there will be a demerger for this division, and on coming days they will come up with some electrical vehicle, because already they have their own plant. There was plant because the moped was manufactured. Everyone knows about moped. That was from Majestic Auto. So there are chances to restart their business on coming years. So at that time what will happen? There will be demerger. They will demerge their business from Majestic Auto Limited and Emirates Technologies Private Limited. So as 2 entities, and both the stocks will be listed. That will not be happen immediately, but it can happen on coming years. But before that, either we can expect a bonus issue or a stock split. Surely they will increase their stock price before such corporate actions happen. So this is the reason I told Majestic Auto Limited will be a multi-bagger within 6 to 8 months. Always you have to enter with 6 to 1 year perspective, and surely the stock will give almost 3 to 4 times return for sure. Currently it is trading at 141.05 and we can expect minimum 500 rupees per share before any bonus issue or stock split, because the current authorized share capital is only 10 crore and current face value per share is 10. It means the company's total outstanding shares are 1 crore shares. Out of that, 75% is with promoters, that's a maximum allowable one, and the remaining 25 lakh shares are outside. Within that, 10% stakes are with major investors and remaining 15% are with retail investors. So in case of a corporate action getting announced, that will be in bulk. We can expect as long as 400 crore reserve is there with the company. So minimum we can expect 4:1 bonus. So surely it will attract to retail investors and they will try to grab the shares. As long as it is very undervalued stock, that will boost the stock because of the demand. The stock can hit almost 500 level. So we have to take exit at that time. So this is a strategy we have to maintain in this stock. Please don't make hurry. Don't try to buy tomorrow. Please hold it. You will get the share between 120 to 130 level. So please wait for that. And I hope you enjoyed this video and kindly stay tuned.